Division strategy 3 is using a pencil. It's sometimes called short division. You can also use short division with dividing decimal numbers. So this example shows decimals. Cut a ribbon that is 4.5 meters long into 6 pieces. How long is each piece? Very useful thing to know if you're dividing something up into pieces. So you lay it out like all the other short division problems, 4.5 in this case, underneath the little bridge, and 6 on the outside. And just like all other short divisions, you start from the left. How many 6's go into 4? Well, there aren't any 6's in 4, so it becomes 0. And you carry the 4 across and put it next to the 5. How many 6's go into 45? Well, 6 7's are 42, so that becomes the number that goes at the top. 6 7's are 42, but we've got 45, so we've got a remainder of 3. So that remainder of 3 would just go on the side there. Unlike the other examples where we've just stopped at that and just said, 0.7 remainder 3, we're going to carry on and keep dividing that until we clear it out, until we get no numbers left. So we can't do 6's into 3 because there are no 6's in 3. So what we do is we just add on a 0, a placeholder next to the 3, to see can we do 6's into 30. We haven't changed the number because 0, remember, is just a placeholder. It doesn't actually change the value. It's still 4.5 with this 3 remainder. But we put a 0 on so we can do 6 into 30. And 6's do go into 30. There are 5 6's in 30. So 5 goes at the top. No remainders in this case, so that's where it actually stops. If there was a remainder, we would put the remainder in, add another placeholder, and keep going until we got either a long way into the number or until there was no more remainders left over. Got to remember to put the decimal point back in. Decimal point goes back in above the decimal point in the original number. So the answer is 0.75 meters. So 0.75 meters or 75 centimeters for each piece of ribbon.